Alright, folks. I get worried that he's not gonna come at me, especially if I don't start talking. Hi, baby boo. Hi. Oh, that's nice. On whiskers and everything. Very handsome today. What I smell like? Oh. What smells on the ears? Hi, boo boo. Hi, boo. Very handsome today. Been working out today? You have been working out. He was chasing a stick with me earlier. Right, Zers? You were chasing a stick. You love sticks. I like to kill sticks. And I kill dams. I'm getting a lot of hair off of him right now, so that's why I kept pulling on it. Less hair in the house if we get it off in the yard. Oh dear. What has he found? Chiggy. Chiggy. Chiggy, all the bunnies are gone. Chiggy. What a nut. Gauss. I think all the bunnies are gone. Gauss, we haven't seen a bunny in a week. What are you looking for? Their nest is right back, or was back in there, so I'm thinking he's catching wind of that. Where are you going? Is this your African jungle? Going. I love the pot. Oh no. Oh jeez. Have we found something? Oh man, I do not want to deal with any more bunnies. Gosh, please tell me I haven't found anything. Chances are, though, you're a better hunter than I'll ever be, so... Yeah, something moved. Oh, dear. I'm always worried it's a mouse or some rodent, and then I have to... I don't want it to run over my foot. Because I'm wearing flip-flops. Gauzy, what do you find? I mean, no fear. I would never stick my nose down into that. Ugh. Gauss, what is underneath this? Gauss, what do you find? It's your face, Gauss. You're so cute. Are you so cute? Mmm. I'm gonna eat him. Gauzy. Alright, guys. Hopefully whatever it is will stay still and not move until you won't find it. Hope you guys are having a good day. Happy June 1st. Why are you so dirty? How come you're so dirty? How come you look like your body's dislocated from your head? Bub? Why are you so dirty? Have you been rolling? You've been rolling. Look at how dirty you are. Cheers. It's very hot here today. I think it's 92 or so, which I think is around 24 degrees Celsius. Charlie usually doesn't like it when it's hot. So he is always on the limestone when it's hot. As you guys know, brick retains heat. That's why it's used in fireplaces. Limestone, not so much. Oh, without fail, have to smell Chiggy's butthole on every video. Wobbins? Chiggy doesn't care about the heat, but Charlie doesn't like it very much. Both of my cats, though, pant so quickly. I was telling my aunt about that the other day on the phone, that my cats are like dogs, where they just, the second they're hot, they'll pant outside, not inside. Whereas I'm trying to keep them both in camera frame, but I don't think that's going to continue.
Whereas if Rags ever panted, it was like alarming. I needed to make sure he was cooled off. But Trig the other day, I wish I would have had my video camera. He was in the sun and was panting. And as soon as he walked into the shade, he stopped panting. Alright guys, share in the comments below. Do your cats pant? Bub, got your blaze all screwed up. Muffins. I'm just gonna go over here because she's got my face over there, so I'll get over here on the limestone. Did I say sandstone first? I think, well, anyway, it's limestone is what I meant when I first started saying it. Chiggy, where you go? Chee! Chee! Bub, where'd he go? How come your blazes are cattywampus? Bub. Oh, it's because I just cleaned my face. Stop talking. I asked him to come here because I moved the Per-La-La cat window perch and I want to put him in it. See what he does. Thanks, babe. So I made a coming at you video at the same time. I know it's so hot, boo-boo. I'm so sorry. Oh, whoa. Oh, lots of loose hair. We could do brushing outside today and get lots of hair off of you. Chiggy's over here. Right there. Can you see him? Bob, let's go inside. I want to show you something. There's Chiggy. Bob, leave Chiggy alone. Chiggy's trying to hunt in the hostas. Come here. Chiggy bolted out of the hostas for this. Where'd he go, Bo? I mean, Mancers. You coming back? I'm coming back for more. You gonna go get him? Are you gonna go get him? You could go get him. Get him, Zers.